You are going to love the 2017 Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for. From any point of view, more than meets the eye. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
We're located on Route 38 in beautiful Maple Shade, New Jersey, or online at fiatofmapleshade.com.